I'd like to have an argument, please.
Hello, you buggers. Now, before anybody else says it, there is no such thing as a flat earth debate. And the claims that the flat earth movement is growing is ludicrous. If anything, more and more internet trolls have found a place they can call home. The earth is a globe.
No, it isn't. Look, if I argue with you, I must take up a contrary position.
But it isn't just saying no, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
They claim that any curvature seen in images is produced by the distortion of the lens. Now, we know that's not what's happening, so let's try and bust that argument. A short while ago, Virgin Galactic ran a test flight of the Unity rocket craft. It's a magnificent machine, now go check it out. When in space, it took some fantastic footage of the Earth. And I know what you're saying, look at the curvature. Well, let's take that footage into my visual effects software package of choice, Nuke. Now, although the curve is pretty clear, I want to adjust the footage to get a nice crisp edge. So I'm just doing that with a grade node. Now from there, I have positioned a circular spline to match the curve, and I have tracked the position and rotation of the horizon. Now that's following nicely. And we can switch off the grade node to see the spline hugging that curved horizon. Fisheye lenses, the Flerfers will yell. Well, now let's look at where the tail wings, if that's what you want to call them, of the spacecraft hinge. Because it hinges there, we can be sure it's a perfectly straight line. And we can draw a line along that hinge section. That's pretty damn straight. Of course, it wouldn't be straight if there's a lot of lens distortion. This is not a fisheye lens. Yes, there will be a little distortion at the edges of the frame, but generally this is a nice, undistorted piece of footage. So we have a curve, we have a straight line. What would happen if that line and curve coexist in the same part of the image frame? For a Flerfer, that would be a paradox. Well, you might already have spotted it. So on this frame right here, not only is the curved line meeting the straight line, it's practically tangential. The horizon is curved because the Earth is a sphere. Now obviously one of the first things you Flerfers are going to claim is just that it's all fake. Well, don't tell me. Don't come here commenting on my video saying that it's all fake. You better go and tell Richard Branson, or more importantly, the people who are lining up to spend hard cash to fly on this thing when it goes public. How disappointed do you think they're going to be when they're just taken to a green screen studio? Now let's use some flat earth logic. Because this footage proves that images from space shows that the Earth is a sphere and it shows a curved horizon, we can now conclude all images of the Earth show a sphere. You asked to see curvature, it's right here, it's been right there all along. Till next time, you buggers. Bye for now.